Welcome to Spektrum and the amazing NX7e transmitter. It was Spektrum technology that ignited the 2.4 GHz RC revolution. Today, Spektrum technology continues to define the future with innovations that make RC flying safer, more precise, and most of all, a lot more fun. For the beginner to the intermediate and the budget-conscious RC pilot, the Spektrum NX7e is a dream come true. You get the unbeatable response of DSMX technology, the simplicity of Spektrum AirWare programming software, and many other features you won't find on other similarly priced radios. With a modern case design, this transmitter is not only sleek, but also comfortable to hold. And with easy-to-use Spektrum AirWare programming, you can easily navigate menus with the roller wheel scrolling interface. Plus, the built-in bind and fly model templates and model memory make it easy to get started quickly. The 7-channel support means it can be used with most common aircraft types, including helicopters. And with the locked-in feel of DSMX technology, you can have confidence that you're in complete control. Thanks to the long-lasting battery, you can enjoy hours of RC flying fun without worrying about running out of power. The USB-C port allows you to charge the internal lithium-ion battery with the included USB-C cable. Plus, it provides real flight simulator compatibility, so you can easily connect to your computer for even more versatility. And it features a wireless trainer system to help others learn to fly radio control. The color screen of the NX7e transmitter features multiple color palettes, allowing you to customize the look of your radio. With the support of Spektrum Smart, you will be able to see battery voltage level when utilizing a smart battery, smart ESC, and receiver. With Smart, you can be sure that this transmitter will work seamlessly with the rest of your RC gear. With our focus on advanced technology and user-friendly design, Spektrum continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in radio control. See yourself with the Spektrum NX7e transmitter and take your flying experience to the next level.